Hey guys, welcome to new video. 39 Dusan here. In today's video I got one very interesting stuff here. This is a fire alarm. So this is a big central for a fire alarm. This is manufacturing Iskra, Slovenia, Kranj, and on Serbian language is signalizator požara. So this is a fire alarm. This stuff is very big. I buy that on a kilogram, and this stuff without the box, you see the box on the beginning on the video, is without the box is a 22 kilogram. I already took couple of small parts last time from it, but not too much, so everything is still here almost. This is the front size, so box I leave on the junkyard. I don't buy a box. I think that I have a lot base metal here to return my money, and I think that I will leave with some small amount of gold, but much more silver, because this stuff is stocked with the copper. So for the first, what we have here, so this is the front size, a lot of aluminium there. This little box is actually signal lights, so this is some small lights here, lamps, and most of this I see it's working. So this stuff is I think I can sell that for very decent money. Yeah, a lot of these lamps. So every these white squares contain one lamp. Okay, so what we else here, I noticed a couple of small board. I already removed that relays. That is via that relays from my last video. And I got some transistor here, I got some tantalum, and this is just aluminium. So what else I got on the front size? It's a lot of switches. So I think I will have there very decent amount of silver, maybe some platinum, and one big switch here, some cables. But the best stuff is when I turn around this little fellow. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I turn around this big fellow, and I think that you love to see that. So what first we see here? Very big and very quality cable. You see all the way around. This is a copper cable. Got some isolation, but definitely very big amount of cables. So this is just one stuff. Here I got another amount of cables. Here I got some heat sinks, and very quality aluminum heat sinks. This stuff is stocked with relays. So see that? This is all relays with a silver contact. Unfortunately, this is a silver, not platinum or gold. That one relay from my last video, it's be about somewhere there. I already removed that, and all this is a silver one. And here in these spools I got very decent amount of copper, very nice copper. So what I think that when I return all that cables and all that copper from the spool, some transformators, I think that I will return my money, and this base metal too. I think I will return my money and all this silver contact, and will let me for free. Okay, So you already see. Here I got some 2 little board. I already removed all that relay from the boards. This is this type of relay. You see that in my last video. Half of that relay it's being gold plated. So I got here more one board, some 3-leg transistor, black one, that go with my ICs. But if you see, this one is just a normal and this one have gold legs. Here more one with the gold legs. Let's zoom that. See that? Gold legs. Here I got some tantalum, 1, 2, and let's see what else we got here. Here I got some potentiometer, and I think that this is just copper potentiometer, yeah, but some decent amount copper inside. A lot of aluminum capacitors, but big one, so this is definitely contains some nice aluminum inside. Some fuse, and what else? Unfortunately, this connector don't contain gold plating or silver plating. You see, it's just base metal connector, already start to rust. Just a shame. Is this be gold plated? This be a very nice amount, but you don't have luck every time. So I think that here I got very decent amount of silver, and from that switches, you see all that switches I think is very quality. So when I scrap that, I will see which type of contacts I have inside. A lot of lights, definitely. So here I got some potentiometer too, couple of, I need to check that, is that palladium plating or a platinum plating. I will see there, probably palladium, maybe it's just silver. So it's not too much, but very nice one. Look at that, see that? This stuff contain wire. This stuff is similar like this one. I already find that one a couple of times with a silver wire. This is just a resistor here, but this one, I don't know, some type of resistor. I need to check that to see what type wire is here. If I luck, maybe it's a silver one. Yeah, you see there, contain wire. So if I have a luck, this is a silver. I will see, maybe not. Okay, so I will spare you hard work of scrap all that stuff. You already see what I have here, and now I'm gonna just show you on the end all the separate stuff, what I actually have from this, okay? In the copper, in the base metal, and of course in the silver and in the contacts. But I so much love this stuff, love to work with this stuff, because when you buy that, all this copper, return your money very fast, and you just leave with the free silver and noble metal. Okay guys, so I will speed up all the steps very fast, and we go straight to some result. Okay guys, so you see right now I remove that aluminum mask from the front size. You see, this is that switches. I still not open any inside, but I think it's very good. See that lamps, that lights here too. And I got these stuff here. This is like some switches, and that switches I already removed a couple of them. Inside is just one fuse, and the fuse goes in the fuse goes inside, and you see it's a silver plated. I have a couple of here. This one is broken. This stuff is silver plated, and this is the normal glass fuse. Some small amount of silver inside. So nice silver plating there inside. I just discover little by little, I discover what is this stuff contain. A lot of that light, I will remove that. A lot of them is work, this one not, but I will just separate what work, what not, and I will sell that. All this work, I think this not. Okay, back to business. Okay guys, so I remove first line, and in this stuff here, where is the lamp goes, I got a lot of these stuff. So this is not too much, just some silver plated circle, metal circle inside, and some small part of silver plated wire. This is copper wire, but is a silver plated. Here I got some silver plating inside too. So everything is in plastic, so I need to remove that. And from these switches, I don't have too much. I just break that with a hammer. I leave with the base metal, and here I got a lot of silver plated items. Nothing else inside, only some brass and a silver plated item. See, everything is silver plated. Lot of tin like this. Not bad. Silver plating. Okay. And guys, this is how it's look one relay from here, from this place. So very big copper spool, very heavy too. And this is and if you see here, this is a contact. It's a silver one, not bad size at all. So depends of the relay. I got 10, 15. Yeah, very nice contact. And more one cool stuff. You see the place where the cables, well, this part here go all that. This is that part, the small one, and it's silver plated. So every of these fat pieces, this one, yeah, here is a silver plated. Very nice. Okay guys, so I have more one bonus. This is the copper spool, and this is the copper from one spool, but inside that spool look like this. So this, the center of the spool, it's solid copper pipe. Very cool. so I need to cut that and remove that, but it's got to wait, so definitely I will back my money with this extra. Okay, so I cut that, and you see the body is a magnetic, but I got this solid copper pipe, very clean copper. Yeah, so let's see how much one spool have copper inside. Okay, put that on weight. Okay guys, so scale is on the 0, you see there, it's a little dirty, sorry, and this is from only one spool, so let's put that. A wire 19.7 gram, 19.8 gram plus solid copper. I have 122 gram of copper only from one spool. That is definitely cool. And here I got about 20 spools like this, so it's about 2.5 kilogram of copper only from the spools. Very nice. Plus that cables, and here in the bucket I have more cables, so very nice, very nice. Okay guys, so basically I already scrapped a half of that, and I got a lot of work to do here, so I'm gonna finish this video, and you basically see what you have here. So a lot of base metal, scrap steel, so about 20 pieces of copper spool, of relay with a copper spool. One copper spool I give 122 gram. Very nice copper wire and solid copper pipe inside. So here from one spool 122 gram of copper, 10 spool 1.2 kilogram of copper. So here I got the same, I got a lot of silver contact, nice amount of silver contact. I got some silver plated bars here, very decent amount of silver contact. I got a lot of switches, that switches contain silver plating, a lot of silver plated little piece of metal. Here in this fuses I got some silver, and in this item here some silver plating. I got a lot of these lamps. I got a couple of small boards with a tantalum, with a transistor, and you see this is a tantalum and this is a tantalum. This is just aluminum capacitor, but this tantalum here got silver case. You see the color, it's very different. This one is with a silver case, and transistor with the gold legs, a couple of them, some relay, already I removed that, and I got these resistors, these two big resistors, very nice. Maybe this stuff is sellable, but I don't love to sell any stuff. Yep. So I need to scrap all that in the small pieces to remove all that silver plated items. Here I got some aluminum heat sinks, nothing too much here. Some waste steel too, big resistor, one more. And this is the basically this. I got here some, you see, some switch with a contact. I got a lot of contact here. I got a ton of small item here too, like this 2 potentiometer here. So very decent stuff. A lot of cable, couple of kilogram, at least 2 kilogram copper in the cables. You see in the bucket. And still I have here more cables. So definitely item which is very worth. And do you know how much I pay that? I pay only 20 bucks. So definitely 20 US bucks and US dollars. And definitely I will, with this copper and all these items, I will return my money, and all that silver plated stuff and silver contacts left me for free. I always love to return my money with the base metals and everything plated and solid, noble, and with a solid noble metal left me for free. Okay guys, this is just a normal scrap video about fire alarm central system, and I'll see you soon in some next video. Subscribe to my channel and save scrap, make gold, have fun. I will see you soon in the next video. Friend Dusan out. Cheers.